We are on. We are. I wasn't in here yet, so I ain't got shit to talk about yet. All right. First things first, we're gonna take this step by step. Let's take this step by step. We gotta locate my 9:30 open candle. 9:30 open is here. So boom, drag it. Boom, boom. All right. All right. Take a quick phone call. I need to look at some shit. I need to edit this. Account settings. Oh, why can't I? All right, I'm gonna have to update this later. I'm trying to update my Twitch settings, which for some reason I want to update my name because I don't trade forex anymore. We only trade futures now, so I'm trying to update that on here. But it's looking like I'm not gonna be able to. But we're looking like we may be getting a breakout of the range here soon. So we may have some cells loaded up. Oh damn! I forgot I made a cup of coffee. I'm gonna go grab my coffee. Why that shit keeps saying connected, like it keeps disconnecting, I don't know. But all I know when we start getting in the trade, I don't want to have no issues. So we have cells loading up here. Be patient for the actual setup. I crashed out publicly yesterday. I mean, only a couple of people seen it, but I crashed out on live. I completely blew my account that I was up over 2K on. I blew it, the entire thing. So, number one thing that I'm going to be practicing going forward is discipline. Take my setups and my setups only. And when I say my setups, I mean setups that I have back tested. And outside of that, we're not taking it. We don't get a setup that I've back tested. I'm not taking setups that I'm like, oh, that looks like a good trade. Sometimes I see something that looks like a good trade, and sometimes I'll be right. But because I haven't back tested it, I do not know my proper risk management for those setups. I don't know. All right, if I take this trade, I'm gonna hit it 60% of the time or 70% of the time. I don't know. So I'm really unless I back tested a setup, I'm not taking it. Where's my these my fucking AirPods? Are these my current AirPods? I got too many damn AirPods. Which ones I'm using? Those are all AirPods that I'm using. Oh, right here. Got too many damn AirPods. Yeah, these are the ones. Why do I got two more? Fuck, I got mad AirPods for no reason. Anyway, all right. Got the cells loading up. So if we do enter the cell pushing out of this zone, we have instant traffic. So we have to watch out for these levels here, pretty much from here over. We can bounce off of this. We gotta watch out for that. And we have this level right after. But if we can break through both of these levels, we can have a day. So these are two levels. That's all right. Can we get through both of these levels? If we can get through both of these levels, final target is down here, which is a big ass. But you know, if we can get through these, then we'll be trailing very tight. What that looks like. It's just like it's not even lined up. Just get rid of you. That's where it should be. You know, I like this as a reaction level. Yeah, I like that as a reaction level. So this is instant target. Okay. Oh, that's where I put this here for. All right, so we got this level. We need to make sure we can push through this level. And we got the last low. This is the last low, so can we push through the last low as well? So these are all the levels that we want to pay attention to. I got my audio where it should be. Okay, Audio's cool. Alright, cool. Looks like we're getting ready to push out the zone. Gotta be careful because price can also flip here and push and start pushing back up. It's the daily rate. You really don't have no reason. Yeah, who's today? We had a lot of red ball news today. I was looking for a lighter. Wow, this person is really just sleeping on live. Like that's all they're doing is just sitting there sleeping. Hold on now, come on now. That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Introducing Subway's new Subway. All right, chill. Now members get every 4 foot long. No ads. Stop. Oh, God, I'm not trying to watch nobody's shit. Yo, people just get on here and sleep. It's crazy. And got how many viewers they got? They got 6,000 people in here watching them sleep. I'm a hater. Let me get the hell off of that shit. I'm over here trying to make money on here and I can't. I got one viewer. How do I see my page now? So oh, I see who actually can I see who's viewing me or not? Because I got one viewer, but I can't never see who the hell it is. Yo, this is actually pretty clear. That's what's up. Okay, I like that. I like that. It's just all right. Anyway, back to dark. We're in this 4 hour candle. We got 2.5 hours left in this 4 hour candle. It's a decent size 4 hour candle already. Question is, are we going to go back to filling this wick?
And then when the student started to was a freeze. Oh, straight at
All right, come on. We still waiting. We still waiting. Get that push out. We're gonna take the sell on the break. We're gonna put stops right above this previous 15-minute candle high. So once we break, we're gonna take the attempt. So we already got one push out here. We got a push out, so now we're looking for an additional push out and see if we can break these lows. We need to see a break. Failing a break. We needed to break. A lot of consolidation here. It's just all consolidation. We need a break here. Consolidation right here, and then we have another area of consolidation right here that said, okay, can we get through? Can we get through? Be patient here, because usually on days like this where price consolidates, it ends up moving in the later half of the day, like closer to 1, 2 o'clock. So it's like I'm kind of wanting this to move soon, but there's a good chance that we might not move until there's a good chance we might not move until 1:30, 2 o'clock. Yeah, so oh, am I fucking bugging? Am I bugging? Why does it look like oh, price is back? Uh, it's like these candlesticks are What's up with that additional touch there? I don't think that's true. To get 2 touches, we'll leave it there with a 2nd touch. Not really like that. That's a very different angle. Very different angle. Which we said. We're going to err on the side of caution. That's what we're going to do. We're going to err on the side of caution. See, that hourly looking like this is a little misfit. See, in my opinion, that hourly is off. We should have a candle. We should have the wick all the way down here, and it's not showing that on the hourly. This chart is not looking. Something should throw me off. How does help? No fucking hurts. Oh, yeah, sure. Gotta be careful here. You can just come back and tap this zone and push right back up. But the price is really not trying to break down to the bottom side. So we're having, this is our lowest low and our higher low here. So we're waiting on to see if we're going to break down. Or we're going to go make a new high here. never remain even high. All the momentum is to the downside. Look at the daily, the 4 hour, everything is to the downside here. So even the weekly is fucking bearish. Everything is bearish. Looks like we want to come and attack these levels is really what it looks like. Put this line here for a weekly level. I do think we want to come back and attack this or this level. Purple. Maybe potentially just this level. Probably sitting at this one.
Should have more outrage as a community. You snitching. Snitching.
It's absolutely telling. It's telling.
Isn't so much being calling out the person who's doing the crime.
Yeah.
I just think when you do that, there's also an indictment on hip hop as a culture. Like this is the culture that needs to only be investigated that way. But that never happens within sports culture. It never happens in any rock. They don't come from who made me fuck up. It's Pulp Fiction. Yeah, like but what I'm saying is, I agree with that. What
I had that comparison.
someone were to do that, they could fuck up. Yeah, out of the basement, and that's all I'm saying. Some of these little niggas need to be locked under in jail. A lot of niggas in every industry need to be under the jail for what they doing. So that's why I don't want to put it up. But I'm saying, now I was just saying, how do you know somebody didn't go and look up Pulp Fiction shit. Tell us just a story. There's no real person behind. My point is, manipulate real.
All right, so far this level is being respected. This is the level right here being respected. Can't get it close below this level. And on the top side, nah, what a push. Wait, what the fuck?
So we don't know what he's admitting to. But hold on, let's make that clear. Let me move that that's what happened. Can I move it real fast? Pause. I'm on it.
Pause. He made it even gayer. Damn.
So now, if somebody were to go and say, hey, Brian keeps saying he had 7 bodies, let me go and just say, some bodies are big, arms everywhere, I got 7 at the fierce. Yeah, that's all good.
Yeah, yo, they going crazy right now. They going crazy right now. Yo, what the fuck is going on?
It's the top cities people are moving to, and it's also the top cities people are leaving. Okay. So it's just the top 5. You don't go on, that's the top 5. Yeah, but so moving to. Let me guess. Let me think. Texas. All over. You ready to stay here?
That's not a city, right? Oh, shit.
I'm gonna give you Boston, 5 in Tampa, 4 in Phoenix, is Austin, 2 is Houston, and 1 is Dallas Fort Worth. So that's all
I'm shocked at what we're going to say.
Phoenix is Austin, 2 is Houston, and 1 is Dallas Fort Worth. So yes, you know all
The city of Texas. Yeah, my time went another cup of coffee, but I feel like it's gonna have me way too jittery.
So you just said people in Cali. The top cities people are leaving. 5 is San Diego. 4 is Chicago. 3 is the New York City Metro. 2 is the Bay Area, and 1 is LA. Yeah, bro, Cali. And the people from Cali are moving to Florida because Florida has on Texas. A lot of them go to
No, but San Diego.
To be fair, a lot of those cities are transit cities to begin with. A lot of people move to LA and New York and New York. Maybe not San Diego, the Bay as well. But Chicago, move to Chicago for sure. Or also living around the country and on some other shit. Like you said, Charlotte. Yeah, dog, that shit ain't cheap no more. No, Charlotte.
Yo, this chart is fucked.
Everybody was using it.
How does it do that?
A lot of people from Atlanta are moving to.
This chart is fucked.
That was the 2. It was Dallas and actually Charlotte was 1. Dallas was 2. Memphis was 3. Cities. You have CDL Class A. You can hit the. I thought about moving to Dallas. So when I think I think of the next spot I want, because I definitely don't want to live in New York to November. I'll think of Dallas. It's gonna be another one. Like everybody leaving New Texas from New York is crazy. If it's COVID, I feel like it's even more. So they get bad jobs and they working remotely. Yeah, like dog, people are working remotely to the point where they'll fly in or drive into New York for 2 days a week and then go back home. It's just more cost effective. Like, yo, you go get a $600,000-$700,000 house somewhere else. It's Texas. Fam, if my daughter wanted to live where she lived, I would rent her 50. 40 or 50. I wasn't even living in New Jersey. I was coming in for work and going out of state. Get in Texas 40. That's what it is. I don't pay them. So I can't afford them. Take it blood. Taxes is crazy. When you got taxes, that's great. But you don't have space. For me, the issue is not space. You know what I mean? Like, if you're looking to buy in New York at first, you know what I mean? Yeah. The taxes are better, but, you know, you want to park, you want more space, you want a lawn, you want to backyard, all that kind of shit. Necessaries, you know, we were looking at Cypress Road first, Harlem, and Patella, and then I love Fort Greene. Fort Greene until the pandemic. So I love Fort Greene, but I was living by myself. That shit ain't cheap. Yeah, it was not out there. A ton of money.
So how long you been here?
Huh?
How long you been here?
It's all fuzzy. Feel like no, just a couple years. We've been together for a while, but we've been married for 2 years, 2.5 years. 2.5 years. But I ain't. I appreciate you.
No wonder you so
I'm
happy.
taking on a few niggas in here too. Doing a report card, so. And what? See how close niggas get to that altar. That's what Pablo straight on Pablo Torres shit. Yo, Pablo really. You ain't Pablo when you ain't the Martin Luther. I don't hate him. I don't like him.
They don't respect it.
I don't like when you getting famous, but I want him just to get a girl. Well, no, you send to the building and they play that game. That's all I want. That play local. Like, if that's my house, right? And to fuck his shit, I don't like that. Okay. But look at me as a fan. I paid a lot of money as a Knicks fan, Sixers fan, Lakers fan, whatever, to have my team win. And these people, and they're cheating. Did they win? No, I don't think that's the point. Yes, it is. No, because no, listen, because if I'm a Lakers fan, I would have won if I got Kawhi. And I didn't get Kawhi because you cheated. One, you know what I'm saying? No, don't get me wrong.
The Clippers thought that they were going to win with Kawhi. The Clippers thought, yo, we got an all-star team over here. We're going to overpay this nigga, and we're just going to guarantee us a win. And in basketball, is the best of 7. There's no guarantee in this shit. The Nuggets would have beat them. The Nuggets would have beat the Lakers with Kawhi.
Maybe you're right. My point is whether or not Lakers win. My point is they're cheating, and my chances of winning are diminished by what you're doing. That's all I'm saying.
But when I asked cheating, but I asked him a specific But when we asked him a specific question,
Where's Joe at? Oh, he's being quiet.
disagree with your point. I just pointed to Joe. Somebody probably put him on him. I don't get it. Look, if a drug dealer, if I sell drugs,
See, this wig should be down here, and I don't understand why it's not.
you get money. And I put the cops on you to bust you so I could go get
This hourly candle is off. This wig should be all the way down here.
Y'all are both criminals. Pablo is not Pablo's owner doing that, which that's what I see. No, I know you are. I know you are. I'll tell you why I don't have issue with Pablo. I understand your point. What I'm saying is that because Pablo is the police, investigative journalism, we're supposed to be the police, right? Of that space. I'm not mad at him for choosing the east side drug dealer and not the west side drug dealer. Even if he knew about both and just chose to focus on like at the end of the year, even if the east side drug dealer chose him to go take care of the west side drug dealer. You're not mad at him still. The problem is we don't know in the example, but in that example, we know they both criminals. And the example of the other owner, if the sixth owner calls and says, I'm putting you on this dude, I don't know if the sixth is a commitment. It's like a citizen call and say, well, a couple things, Pablo said, all are guilty. No. I'm with you speaking on criminals. But what I understood Pablo was saying is, everybody colors outside the lines, they all cheat a little bit, but this was some next level shit. And I'm saying, the little color behind that's hard to find, it's hard to prove. That shit was egregious. There's no space to me what he do. As an investigator, as a journalist at this point, there's no space where he should get out of here. Do not say Pablo on stage. No, I didn't do that. No. You don't say Pablo on him. It's not bitch idiot. We were talking about the cities leaving college, but then he got back to he really got that to Pablo. Everything all over the bottom.
I ain't showing you my fucking bar account.
Shouldn't be doing that. There's nobody that should be doing that type of investigation.
Why didn't
They
they show
not
me?
allowed to just type of focus on one person.
They showed me on the 15.
Right, these are fucking sick. You see what I'm saying? Flores is an investigative journalist at this point. He said that, and he is taking a job for it. That's a tour. Plus, that's a tour.
The police get hired to do certain things, right? And I think that if the police said Joe sells drugs and Park sells drugs, and I'm only going to investigate Joe. And I know Parks is doing it, but I'm not going to investigate Parks. I have a problem with that. So Homeboy Clap sat up here and said, yo, they all are doing it. They're just not doing it to the level that he's doing it. You don't know that because they just might be a little bit better at covering it up. You won't know that until you start to investigate it.
Here's my response to that. I don't think he went into the investigation knowing that they all did that and that he did it worse. I think for what he said, and what I understand from his other stuff, is that he got put on the trail to Balmer, and then in researching and learning about what's happening, he's come to find out that they probably all do this stuff.
Great. So how can you definitively say they not doing it the way he doing it?
Because when I don't know. The same thing. Sometimes you talk about your head.
Looked at me like, nah, that's a good question. Like, yo, you can't definitively say.
Well, answer it. Oh, I think it's very funny when y'all did it. Yes, you know what? No, yes, I mean, some of it, but he's so passionate about it. Don't worry about it. It's fun. He's scared of Pablo when he's scared of Usher. Oh, shit. I'm going to sleep on my. Someone will love y'all over there.
Well, why is it fucking freezing? What the fuck just happened? Yeah, what in the hell just happened? I'm kind of glad it didn't take an entry yet, but what has happened? Oh no. What is this? All traders, like all traders on y'all's platform? Oh, shit. Is this all traders on this Top Step, or is this just futures just fucking up all over the place? Hold on, let's try it again. Oh no, it's not letting me do the trade. Are you kidding me? Yo, what is happening right now? I mean, it's a good thing that it didn't let me get in the trades yet, but what in the world is happening? Yeah, hold on. What is going on? placing no trades right now, bro. Shit's fucking up. Look at this stupid ass shit, or whatever. An issue impacting all traders. Go top stuff status talking about. What's that shit say? You may not be able to log in or trade right now. Until we resolve it, we recommend you avoid trading if you are able to access it. I was just trying to enter a trade. I mean, I guess it's a good thing that I didn't get in because I was trying to take buys right here. It's still pushing down. But she won't let me fucking take the trade. Every time I try to hit the trade, it won't let me take the trade. It's just not doing nothing. That's some bullshit with that. Oh, all right. What are we gonna do instead? I gotta stay. I do got shit I gotta do. So I guess if we're not trading, I'm like, get the fuck up and go. All right, we out.